Hello and welcome to our video on amazing design and landscaping ideas for front yard gardens. Your front yard is the first impression people have of your home, so it's important to make it as beautiful and inviting as possible. Today we will be sharing some inspiring ideas to help you create a stunning front yard garden that will leave a lasting impression on your guests. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right plants for your front yard. Consider the climate and soil in your area, as well as the amount of sunlight and shade your front yard receives. It's important to choose plants that will thrive in these conditions and complement the style of your home. Some great options include colorful flowers like roses, peonies, and dahlias, as well as evergreen shrubs like boxwood and holly. Another important factor in front yard design is hardscaping. This includes things like walkways, paths, and retaining walls. Choose materials that match the style of your home and complement your plant choices. For example, if you have a modern home, consider using sleek concrete or metal materials. While if you have a more traditional home, consider using natural stone or brick. Lighting is another key element and front yard design, and standing outdoor lighting can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while also providing safety and security. Use lighting to highlight certain plants for features in your front yard, and consider using low voltage option to save on energy costs. And finally, don't forget about the importance of maintaining your front yard garden. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing can help keep your plants looking healthy and vibrant. Consider hiring a professional landscaper to help you design and maintain your front yard garden, or learn some basic gardening skills and take on the task yourself. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create a beautiful and inviting front yard garden for your home. With the right plants, hardscaping, lighting, and maintenance, your front yard can become a stunning showcase for your home's beauty and style. Thanks for watching.